Alright, zäme and Mabuhay. Welcome back to FiliSwissed. It's another keto food video, and I have 5 easy keto vegetarian recipes waiting for you. Now, depending if you're on a strict or lazy keto diet, you can always adjust the ingredients either by omitting some or replacing them with alternatives. I'm really excited to share these recipes with you, so let's get started. For the buffalo cauliflower bites, you will need for the method, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Melt the butter, add the hot sauce, and season with garlic powder and salt, and stir well. Add the cauliflower and coat evenly. Evenly spread the cauliflower on the tray and leave to cook in the oven for around 10 minutes or until done. If you have leftover sauce, you can coat the cauliflower again and serve with a side of celery sticks and a dip. For the Halloumi Fajita salad, you will need for the method, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Cut and prep the bell peppers and halloumi. In a bowl, season the bell peppers with the Italian seasoning, paprika, coriander, cumin, and garlic powder. Distribute the sliced halloumi and peppers evenly on the baking tray. And pop the tray in the oven. Leave it to cook for around 20 minutes. Then take the tray out and leave aside to cool. Prepare the salad and season according to your liking. You can drizzle the salad with olive oil. Then add the halloumi and bell peppers to the top and serve. For the cauliflower mac and cheese, you will need for the method, boil cauliflower until fork tender. Drain the cauliflower, then add it back to the pot. Add the cheddar cheese, cream cheese, and mustard. Season with salt and pepper. Cook until the cheese has melted. Now the next steps are optional. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Transfer to a baking dish Then add more cheese and seasoning of choice. Leave to bake in the oven until the top has crusted. For the spinach ricotta peppers, you will need For the method, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Prep the peppers, tomatoes, and garlic. Then cook the spinach in a frying pan with olive oil. Season with salt, pepper, and onion powder. Add the garlic and cook until it has softened. Turn the heat off and set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add the ricotta cheese and mix well with the Italian herbs and egg. Add the cooked spinach and mix thoroughly. In a baking tray, add the tomatoes and the peppers stuffed with the spinach and ricotta mixture. Don't mind the chicken, someone was craving for meat that day, not me. Let it bake in the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes, then serve hot. For the spinach ricotta squares, you will need For the method, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, mix the ricotta, eggs, baking powder, and paprika until smooth. Add the cooked spinach and mix well. Add the shredded pizza cheese and mix thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and season the top according to your liking. Let it bake in the oven until the top has crusted. Cut into squares and serve hot. And there you have it. 5 easy keto vegetarian recipes to keep you full and satisfied. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Hit the like button if you did. If you have questions about the recipes that I didn't cover in the video, do leave it as a comment down below. Tag me on Instagram if you post your attempt on any of these recipes. To see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified for future videos. As always, I'll see you next time. And schöne!